Hello, good morning class. Today I will be teaching you arithmetic progression. This is the topic of class 10th. Then firstly, we will discuss the basic term that is related to the arithmetic progression. Then first term will be the sequence. Sequence means just we are following a number of pattern in a order. This is called the sequence. We are taking an example. This is the 1, 3 and 5 and 7 and this is so on. Here we are following a pattern. Firstly we have the first term 1, second term will be the 3 and third term will be the 5 and fourth term will be the 7. Here we are following a pattern and we are separating by a comma. Then this will be called the sequence. At a place of comma, if we are adding the positive sign 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus 7 plus dash so on, it means this will be called a series. Then there is a basic difference between the sequence and series. If we are separating by the comma, then this will be the sequence. If we are using positive sign in between of the numbers, then this will be called the series. As now second term will be the arithmetic progression. What is AP? AP means just we are adding a constant number in a sequence. This is called the AP. Then we are taking an example. If we have the number 2 and we are adding 4 in this number, then 6, then 10, then 14. Here what we are watching, there is a difference 4. Here will be the 4 and here will be the 4. Then we can say difference will be the 4 in each of the number. Then this is the first term T1, this is the second term T2 and this is the third term T3, this is the fourth term T4. Now what we are watching here, common difference will be the same. How to find a common difference? This is the main important thing in the AP. If common difference will be the same, then we can say this will be in the AP. Common difference means we are showing the common difference by the D. D is equal to T2 minus ka T1 and T3 minus का T2. It means just we are subtracting the numbers from, we are subtracting the terms T2 minus T1, T3 minus T2. We are getting the common difference. And common difference will be the same. Then we can say this will be in the AP. Here we have some examples. Now we will move on the example. First example will be the 2, 4, 6, 8 and up to 50. Here what we are watching, 4 minus 2, this will be the 2, 8 minus 6, this will be the 2. Then we can say this term, this series will be in, this sequence will be in the AP and we have a two term. First will be the finite number of terms and second will be the infinite number of term. If we are talking about this sequence, if we are talking about this sequence 1, 3, 5, 7 and so on, then here will be not the finite number, this will be shown. It means here will be the infinite number and this is the first 2, 4, 6, 8 up to 50. Here will be the finite terms. Then this is the major difference between, and first thing is here we have a common difference. D may be positive, may be fractional, may be negative, may be 0, whatever the D, depend on the conditions, whatever the sequence we have. Now we are discussing about the general terms of AP. This is the most important funda of arithmetic progression. If we are talking about a general term of AP, general term of AP means if we have the first term, we can say we have the first term A and we are adding a constant number in A, then second number will be the A plus D second term, third term will be the A plus 2D and fourth term will be the A plus 3D. So here we are watching we are adding a constant number. Then here we have a series. A will be the first term and D will be the common difference. And how to find a common difference I have already discussed. If D is equal to T2 minus T1, if we are subtracting second term to the first, then we are getting the common difference. Then this is the general term. Now this is the A, this is A plus D, this is A plus 2D, this is A plus 3D and so on. This is up to L. This is T1, this is T2, this is T3, this is T4. T4 means fourth term. Then we are watching here, if here is 4, if here is 4, then here is A plus 3D. Then we are able to find for the general terms of the AP, general terms of the AP, then we can say A is the first term, A is the first term, D is the common difference and L is the last term and N is the number of terms. Then what will be the general terms? General term means Tn. T means term, N means nth, then nth term will be the A plus N minus 1 into D. This is from the this series we are watching here, if this series will be the a plus 3d, then we have one thing. If we are talking about the fourth term, means this will be the one lesser number a plus 3d, then we can directly say, if I am asking you what will be the fourth term, then you can say a plus 3d. What will be the ninth term, then you can say a plus 8d. Then we are able to find the term directly, or we are using this formula. But this is from the beginning. If we are finding the term from the last means Tn dash equal to L minus n minus 1 into d. But there is a basic difference, and one of the important thing, if we are adding from the starting point, from the starting and from the last, then we have the constant number, that will be the a plus L. Now we have the some questions. We are able to solve it. A is equal to 2, d is equal to 3. Write the AP. We know what is the general term of general series of AP, a plus d, a plus 2d, and just we have the value and we are able to find it. This is the second term. Very simple question. What is the 10th term? I have already discussed. 10th term means a plus 9d. A is given, and d we know how to find d. T2 minus T1. If common difference is same, then this will be in the AP. 7 minus 3, this will be the 4. Then T10 equal to 39. This is also a question. It is very important question. We are able to solve it. Now we will move forward. How to find the sum of the first n term of AP? Then we have a series a plus 2d, a plus 3d, a plus 4d, and so on, a plus nd. Now we know one thing. A means first term, d means common difference, and L means last term. Then what is the sum of the n term, first n term? Then Sn is equal to n upon 2 a plus L. L will be the last term, a will be the first term, and n means number of terms we have. Then we are using this formula, or we are able to find the sum of the series. See, I have already discussed what is series and what is sequence. If we are using positive sign, then this will be the series. If we are separating by the comma, then this will be the sequence. Now we have this formula, Sn equal to n upon 2 a plus L. We know very well L is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. We are putting this value here. Then we will find Sn is equal to n upon 2 2a plus n minus 1 into d. We have the series. First of all, we will check it that this will be in the AP, and we will put the value and getting the answer. Now we will move forward, and we are taking examples. This is the example we have. Find the sum of the first 22 terms. Then n means 22. We know a means 8. This is very simple thing. A means 8. What will be the common difference? Common difference means T2 minus T1. Then d is equal to T2 minus T1. 3 minus 8, that will be the minus 5. Then d equal to minus 5. We have the formula of summation. Sn is equal to n upon 2 2a plus n minus 1 into d. In bracket, we are able to find the sum of the first 22 terms. And one of the most important question, that is, how many terms of AP 9, 17, 25 must be taken to given a sum of 636? Then we have, this is the summation. This is the summation 636. Then this value equal to Sn. Sn means 636. In AP, a means, I have already discussed, this is the first term. A means 9, and what is the common difference? We are subtracting second to first. 17 minus 9 8, 25 minus 17 8. Then it means it will be in the AP, and common difference will be the same. Then d means 8 and a means 9. Then what is the formula we have? Sn equal to n upon 2 2a plus n minus 1 into d. We are putting the value and getting the answer. This is the concept in the AP. If you know these all things, then you will solve all the questions up to up 10th level. All the questions has been solved here. Now we are assuming what are the three terms in the AP: a minus d, a plus d. What are the four term in the AP? A minus d, a minus 3d, a minus d, a plus d, a plus 2d. This will be the another thing